Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply lower lash extensions. First, ensure your client's natural lashes are impeccably clean, free from any oils or makeup. Next, carefully isolate the lower lashes using high-quality gel pads or medical-grade tape, ensuring no upper lashes are caught. Finally, select your desired lash extension lengths and curls, typically opting for shorter, more natural styles for the lower lash line. Now for the application. Dip the very base of a single extension into a tiny amount of adhesive. Carefully apply it to one natural lower lash, maintaining a precise distance of about 1 millimeter from the lash line. It is crucial to ensure perfect isolation throughout this process, preventing any natural lashes from sticking together, which ensures a clean and comfortable result for your client. Once all extensions are applied, allow the adhesive ample time to cure completely before gently removing the eye pads. Next, use a soft spoolie brush to carefully comb through the newly applied lower lashes, checking for any stickies or lashes that may have adhered to each other. Finally, provide your client with clear, concise aftercare instructions to ensure the longevity and beauty of their new extensions. For the most natural appearance, consider using shorter lengths, typically ranging from 5 to 7 millimeters. Advise your clients to strictly avoid oil-based products around their eyes, as these can weaken the adhesive bond. To maintain a full and beautiful look, recommend scheduling touch-up appointments every 2 to 3 weeks. Proper care ensures lasting results and client satisfaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.